Hello, we are Herman and Emma. Welcome to our channel. For the next coming 9 months, we're gonna travel around the world. Together, we're gonna travel through 5 continents and visit 15 different countries. Alright, so it's been a bit of a cloudy morning, but it's clearing up now, and that's pretty good because today we're going on a big hike. We've met a new friend here in Rio called Bruno. He works here at the hostel and he's promised us to take us to all sorts of places today. Amongst them some of the infamous favelas.
So you thought you got it made for easy living, slipping out the back door. But it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Into my warm hand in the sun, it's already begun. You are mine.
Because we're sort of in the richest part of Rio de Janeiro, and we also have some of the poorest parts of Rio de Janeiro right next to it. So it'd be nice to see the contrast. Then later on we're gonna visit the favela that's out on the side there. I don't know if you can see it a little bit. And then we're gonna hike to the top of the mountain up there.
Now we're going to the top of Two Brothers Mountain, and this is a part of the Tijuca forest already here, and it's the biggest urban forest in the world. And we're going to meet our friends, the monkeys.
Yeah,
I know.
It's hard to tell by how steep it is here, but it's almost like you have to use your both hands and your feet.
We made it to the top. This was quite a difficult hike, I think. I don't really know how I feel. I'm super tired, but also very happy, and I feel kind of overwhelmed. We'll be talking a bit about my accident on the way here, and the fact that not everyone has the same conditions to do a big hike. And well, I don't know how I feel. I feel a bit overwhelmed, actually.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need. Running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt a love like this.
Okay guys, this is called Via Apia. This is the main avenue, commercial avenue of Rocinha, the entrance of the favela. There's only a few guys in town that actually do have permission to come around here with the tours. The places where we're gonna go now, it's a place where only the people who live here knows, and we're gonna get to see the real deal.
Actually not at all as I expected, and that's what Bruno told us, that you're gonna have a real surprising experience here. You heard so much about the favelas and everything, and this is just like a normal community. It looks a little bit like Southeast Asia actually, and we're pretty used to that one. But it's totally different from what you think. Yeah. Instead of the avocado that we have in Sweden, I get my veggie sushi with mango.
Molto bene. As we say in Swedish, skitgott.
Alright.
Delicioso. It's been an amazing day, and we're so grateful to Bruno, and we're super happy with how this day turned out. Like, we didn't have we didn't have any idea of like what was gonna await us, but it's been by far the best day in Rio so far.
So we just had this lovely sushi dinner. Thank you so much, Bruno, for taking us here. And now we're gonna go back to the hostel. The tour has ended. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
And please consider subscribing. My neighbor, the best neighbor, okay? Now make a caipi vodka with passion fruit like this.